Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Sibonelo disused Nonga out of resigning from the Destiral. It will only bring on unnecessary attention. Gabisile make a blow move when she steal Philip number from Nkunzi phone. Babekazi want Mbatha to join force with her on concocting a plan to come up with the insurance money. And Babekazi fight with Mbatha. He don't she don't want to sleep with Mbatha on their bed, but Mbatha complaining for sleeping on the floor. Do you think Babekazi and Mbatha will stay together longer, or please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.